rate was like $250 maybe, and he wanted a deposit before booking. It's like, okay, duck, goose chase.
Oh, so that first time you saw, let me see, that was Dr. Did you see Dr. Lester or Dr. Sarkowala?
Maybe the second one, kind of
the guy or the girl?
Short. It was the guy.
Okay, so Sarkowala.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we'll continue with the Julia. And you said you want to do the laser, but not today?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you an antifungal shampoo. You're going to wash your feet with it because sometimes fungus is among us, meaning it can go from your skin to your nail. So I just like to make sure that your skin is also treated.
Okay.